Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to add a recovery phone number in a Google account. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here of course you just have to open your Google account. Here I'm going to open it by the Google applications. And then here just tap on the account at the top right in the corner. And after, go to your Google account here. And as you can see guys, in this page, you just have to scroll until we'll find here the option which is security and sign in. Now in this page, scroll it down a little until we'll find here the recovery phone. You just have to tap on it. And now in this page, you just have to enter your password first for your Google account. And now tap on the next button here guys. Here, you just have to tap on this recovery phone. You just have to tap on it and enter your number phone that you want to edit. Here, I'm going to change it for the country first, yeah, guys. I'm going to use Indonesia on my country here. I'm going to scroll it down. And I have to adjusting first. Now, you just have to enter it for the number phone. And after, tap on the next button here at the bottom. Now enter your password again. If you're done, just tap on the next button. And I think it's enough for me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.